car now. I'm about to go to Walmart. I'm gonna get the stuff I need to make the tacos, and I need to get some more juices. I don't really drink juice, but I drink like cran apple, all the cranberry juices. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all with me. Y'all gonna see everything that I get. So let's go. So I looked in my back seat and stop recording and driving now, so I'm gonna see y'all when we get to Walmart. I made it to Walmart and it's raining. You know, it was raining this hard. I would have brought a hat and I didn't bring a hat and I don't want to get my hair wet. I gotta figure something out. We're gonna figure it out. Let's go. Please wear y'all masks. Okay, if y'all see me in this store with this hat on my head, just keep walking, mind your business. Cause I got 2 jackets on and I know that. Let's go. Y'all, they got Valentine's Day candy out already and it's only the 1st. Like, why the rush? And it's gonna get old and stuff fast. That's crazy. So tell me why cranberry juices is gone. I don't drink cran pineapple. They only got 1 cran mango. This literally the only drink I drink and they don't even have what I'm looking for. They got cran grape right here because I don't even drink that much cran grape. So I'm just gonna get this cran apple. So I'm currently looking for voodoo chips and they don't sell voodoo chips in Walmart. Like, how ghetto. Walmart, if you watching this, please put some voodoo chips in here. How ghetto, Tallahassee. Alright, back in the car. I hate this stupid mask. But I'm back in the car. Put my groceries in. It's time to go home. I really did more grocery shopping than I was supposed to. And let me tell y'all, so anyways, I was in the store trying to check out with my card. So it kept saying decline. I'm like, why is this gonna keep declining? I was like, I'm just gonna pay with cash. So my dumb self forgot that I had my card locked. I was like, wow, I really didn't want to use cash, but it is what it is. So let's go home. Let's get to cooking. I made it at home, and now I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store. I don't know why, but I just want to show y'all. So I got this cream, got some milk, Powerade, more Powerade, ground beef. Y'all, let me put y'all on. These Monster cherry and pineapple slushy pops, and they gluten-free. These is the junk right here. So if you go to Walmart, get some of these, and when you try them, come back on the video, comment, and let me know what you think about them. Chips, cheese, shrimpies, flour, juice, taco seasoning, ice cream, sour cream, cream cheese, salsa, cheese, more shrimp, taco seasoning, taco sauce, lemonade. So that's it, and I'm about to put this stuff up. Okay, so this is everything you're gonna need for the tacos. Got tortillas, sour cream, tortillas. Is it tortillas or tortillas? It says tillas, so I don't know. Cheese, oil, taco sauce, more taco sauce, flour, your peppers, more taco sauce, more cheese, and this ground meat. So let's get to cooking. Let's see. So make sure you go grab 10 minutes. It's 10 o'clock, so I'm about to cook, put on my music. Yeah. The ground beef. So let's go. Okay, y'all, so when you cook your meat, you don't want to cook the meat with any seasoning. I'm gonna use a little bit of salt because when you cook hamburger meat, the juice that comes from it will take all the seasoning away and your meat won't be seasoned anymore. Okay, so right here, I just cut the tortillas in half, and then I made a paste using flour and water, and my paste was a little too thin, so I ended up adding more flour to the water to make it a little thicker so it can stick better, and then I just pinched it with my fingers to close it.